Welcome, today we are looking at the THINKWARE F200 Pro dashcam. It says Wi-Fi there. You could download the app from iOS and Android. 2-channel, meaning you can also connect a rear camera to this. 1080p 30 frames per second, 140-degree field of view, built-in Wi-Fi, parking mode ready. To use parking mode, you will need to buy a hardwire kit from THINKWARE. Thermal protection. We have some information on this side. Okay, let's get it unboxed. And as always, if you want to pick this up or if you want to know more about it, click the first link in the description box below. Also reviewed other dashcams on my channel as well. If you want to watch them, I will leave a link to a playlist in the iCard and I'll also pin it in the comment section below. If you find the video useful, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Okay, so we have some paperwork. We have a QR code here. This is in different languages. User guide. Mounting bracket that will mount to your windscreen. It has a 3M tape on there. That's the cable. Some extra stickies and some brackets. An extra 3M tape. Don't need that. It comes with a 16 GB micro SD card and it comes with a large SD card adapter as well. So to get footage from the micro SD card, you'd put this in there and then you could put this into your computer and you'd get footage from the SD card to your computer. Then onto the actual dashcam. So dashcam has some light in there that will light up where it says Wi-Fi, status light there, record. Wi-Fi, I think that's a speaker. DC in, this cable will go in there to give it power. That bracket would go on there. That's what it looks like from there. On here it says V in and GPS, so dual channel. You could get another rear camera and put it in there if you want. That's the lens, and as I mentioned before, 140-degree field of view lens. Some information at the bottom. At the bottom we have the micro SD card slot. Okay, so I just typed in THINKWARE and the app has come up. So THINKWARE dashcam, let's download it. Okay, once the app has finished installing, then we'll set the camera up. Apologies, my mistake, I didn't check. I was saying that you will need to get a hardwire kit. This isn't a hardwire kit, so this would fit to your battery. I thought it would be one of them, you know, the ones that fit into your cigarette lighter. Like this is a dashcam cable here, this fits to your cigarette lighter. It's very rare they include stuff like this in. I don't think I can remember any dashcam I've reviewed where this is included, because they charge you a bit of money for getting one of these separate. It's good they've included it in. It's a decent size length this. Now if you don't know what you're doing with this, it's best to get someone to install this in, like I am going to do. I won't be doing this, my brother will be doing this because he's good with cars. I have no idea. This part would go in there where it says DC in, that would go there, and then these would connect to your battery terminal. And once it has power, then you can carry on with the app. One thing to mention, when I do show you the footage daytime and nighttime, the quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced to what I'm seeing, because when I upload it to YouTube, they compress the file. There's nothing I can do about that. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of the image quality. I have the camera set up. If I scroll down, you could see there, I had to hold the Wi-Fi button down for a few seconds. Then the dashcam told me to connect to THINKWARE. I've connected to that. I asked for a password, which is, so here you could see it's giving us some information here. I could click on live view. This is a live view. Tap on the screen. This little white square box, if I tap on that, it gives us information on how to mount the camera. You could turn it off. Microphone. I've left it on. You could turn it off as well if you want. Then it has some more information at the bottom here. Back out of this, we go to settings, memory card settings. Make sure you format the micro SD card before you start recording. Continuous recording, that's grayed out, so you can't change that. I reviewed another dashcam and you could select the length of the clip, 1 minute, 3 minute or 5, but as this comes with the hardwire kit, it's continuous recording. We have camera settings, record settings, road safety settings, we have system settings, dashcam info, GPS info connection failed because I haven't connected the GPS thing. You could delete the device from here as well. That's the Wi-Fi information. It has a nice basic app. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think of the image quality. One important thing to mention, the image quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced to what I'm seeing, because when I upload it to YouTube, YouTube compressed the file. In my opinion, as you can see, the image quality is good. It gives you the number plate perfect and it records everything around you as well. And as mentioned before, you can also get a rear dash cam for this as well. THINKWARE make loads of different dash cams. So if you want to pick this up or know more about it, or if you want to look at any of the other THINKWARE dash cams, I will leave a link in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.